Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to become IB in Vantage. And right now we are on their homepage, and that is vantagemarkets.com. So please go to there. And then from here we click here on partner program, and there it's standing introducing brokers. That means IB. Now we click on that, and then he will send us to the next page, where we need to click on sign up. First we confirm with the intentions, and then we click here on sign up now. Then he will send us to this page, and now you need to click here on I confirm the intention. And then after that we need to fill in our first name, last name, country of residence, or code right there, or phone number, and then email and password. And then select right here if you're a resident of the US. And then after that, click on I agree, and then do register now. Then you can become an IB. So this is how you can become an IB on Vantage. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.